Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new special food recipes in the Modular Street Festival in Heartopia. So, Heartopia now has a brand new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can get several new special food recipes. And here's how to get them easily. First, just go find NPC Massimo and then just talk to him. And then just tap on cooking store, and then in here you will see for different recipe that you can buy or that you can collect. There are bricks, pole, fruit sieve ice, and then fruit Filipina pie, brick mushroom patty, and then brick van combo set like this. And its recipe costs only 1000 coins, so they are pretty affordable, I think. And after buying the recipe, you can just start cooking them right away in your oven stove. And from that, you can unlock new special dishes from the Modular Street event. So don't miss this limited event before the recipes are gone. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!